Hi, this is the Realme 11 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So open first the settings and then tap to Wi-Fi section. Click to the switcher to activate Wi-Fi option or to turn it off by this way. Here you will see all of the available networks. Select one from the networks and now we should enter the password. Then just tap to OK in the right upper corner and we could see that we just successfully connected to this network. Sure, you could use more networks by the same way, enter the password, tap to connect, and after that you could switch between these networks. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find here Wi-Fi icon. So just to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, we should click to this icon, and to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold it and click to more. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.